Hello my dear beautiful friend, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you how to close all tabs at once on your Android phone in Chrome browser. So let's get started. First thing first, unlock your phone, open the Google Chrome browser application and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that, at the top right corner here you can find the tab icon. Right now my tab show is 5. Your phone is show many depending on your phone tab. Once you found the tab icon, simply tap on it to open it. After this page is open, look at the top right corner, you can see 3 more button. Simply click on it. Then you can see various multiple options, but look for the close all tabs option. Tap on it one, then finally click on close all tabs and groups or similar name at one time, and that's it. You have successfully closed all of the tab your phone. Now simply tap on the plus sign at the top left corner and automatically open the one tab on your Chrome browser. That's it guys, you are easily done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video.